Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use Med School Bootcamp. To begin, navigate to the main dashboard where all your resources are organized. You will find thousands of high-yield video lectures covering essential medical concepts, along with a vast question bank designed to test your understanding. Take a few minutes to explore the layout. This initial familiarity will help you streamline your study sessions and access tools efficiently. Creating a personalized study schedule is paramount for success, ensuring you cover all necessary material systematically. Start by allocating specific time slots, perhaps 1 hour for video lectures and another for practice questions, into your daily routine. Consistency is key, so aim for dedicated study sessions every single day, rather than sporadic long marathons. This approach builds momentum and reinforces learning over time. The question bank is perhaps the most critical component for solidifying your knowledge and identifying weak areas. When approaching questions, try to simulate exam conditions to build stamina. After completing a block, dedicate ample time, at least twice the duration you spent answering, to thoroughly review each answer explanation. Pay close attention to why the correct option is best and why the incorrect options are wrong. This deep understanding is invaluable.
Leverage Med School. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.